Hi everyone, welcome to Crypto Market, the educational channel about Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. Many people ask me if USDT can be stored in Trezor Safe 3 wallet using Solana network. They have this question because they enter the website and the network does not appear in the coin section. What happens is that websites sometimes take a while to update the tokens that can be stored in the wallets. So, in this video, I am going to show you the process to store your USDT in the Trezor Safe 3 wallet using the Solana network. The first thing you need to do is connect the device and open the app. You go to the Solana tab and you will select the Receive button here at the top. Now, you select Show Full Address. And on the device, you verify that it is the same address and press the two buttons at the same time to confirm. And in the app, you select Copy Address. Now, you go to the other wallet. I'm going to send these dollars from the OKX exchange. The process is practically the same on all exchanges. Here you select the USDT. Choose the Solana network. And here, you paste the address. You enter the amount you are going to send, and that's it. I'm going to pass the security filter. Now, we go to the Trezor application. Look, a new tab has been added here under Solana. I'm going to select it, and the dollars appear here. Now, I'm going to show you how to send these USDT to an exchange. Before continuing, remember that if you still don't have this wallet and watching this video you wanted to buy one, in the video description, I'll leave you the link so you can go directly to the official Trezor website, accept the cookies for a great navigation, and you can make the purchase with total security. This is important. Remember that to send these USDT, you need to have Solana in the wallet. I'm going to send them to the MEX Global Exchange. You choose the network and copy the address. And now, in the Trezor app, select Send and paste the address here. You choose the token and enter the amount. And select Review and Send. And now, on the device, you need to verify the address. Here you can see that it starts at FK28 and ends at XUFL. Press the two buttons at the same time to confirm. Now, you need to verify the token contract. You go back to the exchange and select here, Contract Address. This takes you to the Solana Explorer. And here you can verify that the contract starts on ES9VMF and ends in ENWNYP. With this verification, you can continue with the process. And now the amount and fee of the send appear on the device. Press the two buttons at the same time to confirm. And finally, you select Send in the app, and that's it. Now, I go to the MEX Global Exchange, and here we can see the $19. The message appears that the deposit was successful. Well, my friends, that's all for this video. As you can see, the Trezor Safe 3 wallet is a very practical wallet to use, and most importantly, you can have your funds completely safe. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell so you don't miss the next videos.